Okay, good morning, children. Chapter 2 Inverse Trigonometric Functions, Miscellaneous Exercise, question number 11. Till 10 already we have done in the last class. So, this is 11th one we are going to see. And here they are asking about to solve the question. Okay, solve. Solve means unknown variable we have to find which is given in the question. That is the meaning. So, unknown variable now what is here? X. So, x value we have to find. That is the meaning of the question. Okay, that is meaning of the question. So left hand side first both the question, both the side I'm writing 2 tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 times cosecant x is a given. Children listen, solve, this is solve. Don't think that left hand side equal to right hand side we have to bring. Solve in the sense both the side you have to take. So very easily tan inverse you can cancel when 2 is not here. When 2 is not here, you can cancel. But there is a 2 here, so you cannot. So you cannot cancel this. So how you can cancel the 2? We have some formula. 2 times tan inverse of x. What is the formula? Have you remember? Equal to what pa? Tan inverse 2 times x divided by 1 minus x square. Have you remember this formula? Have you remember? So this is the formula I'm going to use. Okay, this is formula I'm going to use because here we have a 2, here we don't have 2 outside. Have you noticed? 2 only we have to cancel. So see, if you are using this formula, the 2 is gone. Am I right? So left hand side we have a 2, right hand side we don't have a 2. So that is I'm going to use. But instead of x, what we have, children? Instead of x, what we have? Cos x. That you should not forget. Okay, instead of x, we have a cos x. So that is I'm going to use. Right, then the formula tan inverse of 2x. 2 times, instead of x, what we have to write? Cos x. Okay, cos x whole divided by 1 minus x square. X square means what pa? Cos square x. X square means what pa? Cos square x, which is equal to tan inverse of 2 times. See here everything we have a cos. So this cosecant we can write that what? 1 by sine. Shall we write like that? Cosecant equal to what? Cosecant equal to 1 by sine only. That is the formula. Okay, reciprocal of sine, it will be cosecant. Now you can cancel that tan. If you cancel means apply tan on both sides, tan inverse tan will cancel. That is the meaning. Have you understand? Cancel means apply tan on both sides, tan and tan inverse will become 1 like that. So after remove that, what I have? 2 cos x whole divided by 1 minus cos square, what we can say pa? 1 minus cos square x is equal to sine square x. So all the formula I wrote right hand side. So here we can write that sine square x is equal to right hand side I have 2 divided by sine x. What all possible to cancel, that you do it. 2 you can cancel one time. Okay, and 1 sine x, here also 1 sine x will be cancelled. Understand? Then what is remaining? Just cos x, just cos x, yeah, by sine x. Okay, which is equal to 1. Cos by sine what pa? Cos by sine tan. Cot. Okay, what it is? Cot x. So cot x is equal to 1. We need x only, am I right? So when you apply what is that cot inverse on both sides, cot inverse of 1 you will be getting. For what angle you will be getting 1 in a cot? 45. That means pi by 4. So that x value will be pi by 4. X value will be what, my dear? Pi by 4. Understand? Right. So pi by 4, the cot where all you will be getting positive 1. Or one more clear cut answer, if you want to give one more little bit, you can go. Listen, we know that all silver tea cup means in first quadrant cot will be positive and third quadrant cot will be positive. Am I right? Am I right? So here also you will be getting positive. Maybe here also can come 1. Here also maybe can come 1. Am I right? So first quadrant pi by 4 I give. Maybe third quadrant also can come 1. Third quadrant actually what pa? Pi plus what? The theta. Okay. So, but don't think only pi. Only pi don't think. When you come second round, 3 pi. When you come one more round, 5 pi. So that all the odd numbers you will be getting. All the odd number plus theta. It means 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Yes. Okay, into pi by 4. In all this place, you will be getting 1. If you want to give this, you can give. Or else, if you feel extra, you can stop here. Not a issue. What is book bag answer? Check once again. Have they given pi by 4? No. They will give surely. This is solve. 2n plus 1. What they give it to me? That's it. Question number 11 we are doing. That n pi. Okay, this also we can give. Oh, we have checked first quadrant. Third quadrant na 2 pi plus theta. Am I right? 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi and odd pi means in all the pi plus we are getting. This is negative pa. Pi minus theta will not come. 2 pi minus theta will not come. So where you will be getting? Where you will be getting pi plus theta, 2 pi plus theta, you will be getting 1. So that whether if you are giving 1 pi plus theta, we are getting, or 2 pi plus theta, we are getting. If you come one more round, 3 pi plus theta, you will be getting. If you go one more round, 4 pi plus theta also you will be getting. Then all 1, 2, 3 pi plus theta, you will be getting 1. The theta only pi by 4 here, that is they have mentioned. Okay, so that this you can write r x is equal to n, this is n pi plus theta means here pi by 4. Okay, where n belongs to any integer. Okay, any integer, that is any integer. Okay, past integer we can give, because 1, 2, 3 only I am giving. 1, 2, 3 negative na it may change, so past integer give. So this is the answer where n belongs to positive integer. Okay, suppose MCQ na you can complete here, not an issue. This is only for first quadrant. When you come third quadrant, again you go here. What is the 2 pi plus theta. When you come 3 pi plus theta. When you go again 4 pi. When you come again 5 pi plus theta. Like that it will be going. In all the place you will be getting one number, right? So you must be very careful in this place. Understand? So what is extra point? This all for understanding purpose I gave. This all. Okay, directly you can write. Even same thing for even if you take reciprocal, you will be getting tan x also you will be getting. Tan comes also same answer, that it never change. Or some people will be giving sin x equal to cos x, they will take cross multiply. Sin equal to cos na, then also, but there you will be getting only 45, means only this you will be getting. If you go cot or tan only, you will be getting the general answer. Specific answer na you will not. Okay, so the best answer, you must be very careful. One of the important question, right? Shall we go to 12th Raja? 12th question. Take the textbook. Question number 12 we are entering. Question number 12 we are entering. Are we done? Right. Question number 12. Question number 12. Listen, children. So that see what formula we can use here. 1 by 2 it's given. This is also solve only, children. Solve. Okay, this is also solve now. Solve means unknown value we have to find. I told you the 1 by 2, if it is not here, you cannot cancel tan inverse. So the 1 by 2 is a problem. But 1 by 2 we don't have formula. 2 if we have a formula. So that what you do, this 2 you send opposite. So that what you will be getting? 2 times, very good, 2 times tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to tan inverse x. Now our aim to cancel this 2. Okay, so that the formula is what? 2 tan inverse formula what? 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. See, if you use this formula, the 2 is not here. So apply. But instead of x, what we have here? This fully we have. Have you noticed? Instead of x, we have to mention 1 minus x whole divided by 1 plus x. Be careful. Okay. Be careful in this. Right. Now, what is that? The formula tan inverse of 2 times x. 2 times x in the sense, instead of x, what we have here, I said, yes, this fully 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 minus x square. X square instead of x, this fully I told you, na? Right? Then 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. Have you understand? Which is equal to what, pa? Tan inverse x. Now, if you apply tan on both sides, tan inverse will be cancelled. Have you noticed this? If you apply tan on both sides, inverse will be cancelled. Then what I have remaining? 2 times of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 minus. When you apply the square denominator, when you apply the square, what you will be getting? 1 minus x whole square divided by 1 plus x whole square equal to, after apply the tan inverse will be cancelled, only x is pending. So very important these things, you just take cross multiply. Before that, apply the a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so what I am getting? Numerator we have 2 into 1 minus x whole divided by 1 plus x. In denominator we have 1 into 1 plus x whole square apa. 1 into 1 plus x whole square minus of 1 minus x whole square whole divided by 1 plus x whole square equal to x. Children, you can cancel this. What is that? 1 plus x. Here 1 time 1 plus x you can cancel. Okay. Now, numerator what we have? 2 into 1 minus x whole divided by denominator a plus b whole square. Da. So 1 square plus x square plus 2x minus of, like that denominator again 1 square plus x square minus 2 times x whole divided by what we can say 1 plus x equal to x. Now apply the negative inside bar. So 2 into 1 minus x whole divided by 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 2x whole divided by what I am getting? 1 plus x equal to x. Now this plus x square minus x square and all will be cancelled. Like that minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So 2x plus 2x what pa? 4x. The 2 if you multiply inside, so 2 into what I am getting? Minus 2x, 2 minus 2x divided by 2x plus 2x na 4x divided by 1 plus x equal to x. This whole you send opposite. This whole thing you send opposite. What I am getting? 2 into 2 minus x equal to x into 4x divided by 1 plus x. Have you understand? Again you have to send this opposite. So when you send this opposite, 2 minus 2x into what I am getting pa? 1 plus x equal to 4x into x, 4x square. Okay, again I am coming here. Again I am going here. Okay. So what I am getting, you just multiply. What you will be getting? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into x, 2x. Minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. Minus 2x into x minus 2x square equal to 4x square. So that minus 2x plus 2x cancel. 2 equal to 2x square when you send opposite. Now what you will be getting? Plus 2x square. When you add both, what I am getting? 6x square. 6x square. Am I right? So that 2 by 6 is equal to x square. Sorry, we can cancel this. Yes, we can cancel this. And root when you send opposite, square root of 1 by 3 equal to x. After simplify, 1 by root 3 equal to x. So this is my final answer. X equal to 1 by root 3. Maybe any other idea, if you are use also you will be getting, but it takes okay, any other idea? But it takes a lot of steps. Be careful, but I used small steps and all I gave. If you want to skip any other step, you can skip surely. Understand? Right. Copy this fast. Okay. Next we'll go. That is question number 13. Question number 13. I think a MCQ question. Question number 13. Children, listen. What is given? Sine of tan inverse x equal to what? This is condition actually. Sine of tan inverse of x equal to what? Condition. Listen, children. Inside tan inverse is given. Inside tan inverse. Now, outside what it will be? It will cancel. Tan comes in, it will cancel. So that either inside sine inverse you have to change, or outside you have to change tan inverse. So inside is very easy to go. So that let tan inverse x is equal to, I'm taking theta, or y also if you want to take, not a issue, that is our wish, y, theta or y, anything else. Understand? Then when you apply tan on both sides, x is equal to what I will be getting? Tan y. Understand? So that this will be opposite divided by adjacent, we can say. Opposite divided by what ma? Adjacent. So triangle if you draw na, tan y, opposite value x, adjacent value nothing is there now, 1 you have to take. By using Pythagoras, what you will be getting? Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two side. So hypotenuse if you want to na, square root of 1 plus x square you will be getting. Square root of 1 plus x square. So that is the hypotenuse. Square root of 1 plus x square. Understand? Right? We need what? Sine. So this implies sine y equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite value x, hypotenuse value we got 1 plus x square. Then y equal to what you will say? Sine inverse of x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. So the y only we assumed like that, what na? Tan inverse x only we have assumed y. So that instead of tan inverse x, we can write sine inverse what we have found. Understand? So that sine of tan inverse equal to what? Sine inverse of x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Now sine inverse sine will be cancelled now. X divided by square root of 1 plus x square I am getting. What is the option pa? Option D. D which is given. Okay, option D. That's it. Just they asked to simplify. Okay, we have done. Option A, D we have. So just see this how we are doing. Without using triangle also we can go. Identities we can use. With help of this also you can go. That is our wish. Which you like, that you go. That's not an issue. Right, fine. Question number 14 will go. Right, fast pa. Boys are done, amma. Boys always faster. Drink water, girls. I am the responsible if anything is happened for you people. Drink water. Question number 14, shall we go? So 14th one. I think last question from chapter number 2, pa. Okay. This is pi, I think. Pi. This is pi. Pi. Right, pa? Listen. So here they asking x value, means solve. They asked to solve this question. Listen, children. So sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 into sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Equal to what you will be getting, pa? Pi by 2 you will be getting. So we have many ways to solve, but this 90 you have to use wisely. That is very important. Yeah, I have idea. Listen, children. So sine inverse x, let it be one side. This minus 2, when you send opposite, what pa? 9 pi by 2 plus 2 times of sine inverse x. Now the sine inverse, when you send opposite, it means if you take sine on both sides, what you will be getting? Sine of 90 plus theta format you will be getting. So theta, which is in a form of 2 times of sine inverse. So what do you do? The sine inverse you assume something, then only it will be easy. Then y is equal to y or theta. Theta shall we take? Theta or y, okay. Sine in y I will take. Above is leave it. So if I assume now, what it will become then? So 1 minus x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 times y. Listen, the sine inverse only became here y. Understand? The sine inverse, see, when you take sine on both sides, sine inverse will be cancelled left hand side. Right side sine will be applying. Okay, right side sine will be appearing. Now, which is look like what, Raja? This is sine of pi by 2 plus theta, means sine of 90 minus, so 90 plus theta, what quadrant, pa? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. Sine will become what actually? Cos. Okay. So that is I'm going to use here. But instead of theta, what we have here? 2y. So 1 minus x is equal to cos. What is that? 2 times y. Cos 2 times y. But we need to find x value. Don't want y. Y means sine inverse. Cos. No. Cos 2y formula we have. 1 minus 2 times sine square y. Have you remember that? That we can use. Okay, then 1 minus 2 times sine square y. Okay, so here 1 minus x. What is y, children? We know. What is y? We know. Yes, that we can. Or else this you just simplify. Sine inverse, when you send opposite, sine y equal to x we know. So wherever you have a sine y, there you can replace x. So that 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 2 times. Here sine square y na, what you will be getting? X square. What you will be getting? X square. Now it became a quadratic. Have you noticed it? So you bring everything one side. This 1 alone will be cancelled. Remaining you bring one side. Plus 2x square minus x equal to 0. X if you take outside, what I am getting? 2 times x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, x value 0 we are getting and x value 1 by 2 we are getting. 0 also given, 1 by 2 also given, both given. There is a problem here, children. Listen. See, we have a 2 answer, but the 2 answer they have splitted like a 3 option. Listen, 0 alone 1 option, 1 by 2 alone 1 option, then both they are given. So people what they will think, both only it is there option A, like that they will think. But you should be very careful here. If they are splitting the options now, you have to check your answer in the question. So take your answer, check in the given question. Kindly you check. It may be some changes will be there, or else we'll put a not issue. So first left hand side, right hand side must be equal. So sine inverse of 1 minus, first I'm taking 0, x equal to 0, I'll check. Okay, so the question you see, children, left hand side we have sine inverse of 1 minus x value what? 0, minus 2 times sine inverse 0 equal to pi by 2. If you simplify, you should get pi by 2. So sine inverse of 1, 2 times sine inverse of 0, 0 equal to pi by 2. 0 into anything 0 da. Then sine inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. This is true. Okay, 0, true we got. 1 by 2 also we have to check them, right? So this is true. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Let me check. Again the same step. Yeah, sine inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 times sine inverse of 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2 you should get. Listen, 1 minus 1 by 2 what pa? 1 by 2. Okay, minus 2 times sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2. So 2 times 1 by 2, 1 time 1 by 2 we can subtract. So what you will be getting? Minus sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to, is it pi by 2 children? No, pi by 6 you will be getting. So this is false. Have you noticed 1 by 2 we got a false answer. So what is our final answer then? C children, x is equal to 0, only our answer, that is C. Have you noticed? Very important. See, therefore, x is equal to 0 is our final answer. Option C. C children. Suppose without a check, if you have given A na, we have lost our mark. We have knowledge, even though you will be losing your mark without a check. So option you have to see. Same answer they are splitting na. You can go like that. Sir, this is little big sir. MCQ na, is it go like that na? Directly you can go for checking. Options, in option there is answer. See, in option there, see, directly you can come for check. See, 0 we have checked true, 1 by 2 we have checked false, then surely 1 by 2 false na, B and A not there, and C, D also not na, C option. In MCQ, directly you can, suppose 2 mark na, you do it fully da, MCQ na, we have an option. Directly you take the values, you substitute, directly you come for checking place. Directly if you coming for checking place na, 0 we got a true, 1 by 2 we got a false na. Wherever you have a 1 by 2, what is the you remove. So D we have 1 by 2 remove. B we have 1 by 2 remove. A we have 1 by 2 remove. Then remaining what? Only 1. C is our answer. Like that you can go. Understand? For MCQ purpose. 14th one over. Am I right children? Even chapter itself over. Right. So apart from textbook sums, surely a few questions they will be asking in the board exam. What na? Domain, find domain and range. So I have some collection of questions. I'm gonna give that now. So you just continue. Extra questions or a previous year question, any topic you give. Extra sums or creative sums. Creative sums you give a topic. I'll give some extra questions because I have seen many years. Apart from textbook, maximum they will be asking from second chapter any one question, that is domain and range. Find domain and range. Based on domain range we are entering now. The collection of questions I have almost 4 or 5 questions I collected. Okay, the standard question I collected 5 questions I have, 4 in domain, 1 in a range. Why 4 in a domain now? Domain only maximum they will be asking continuously. That is what I collected more question in domain. Range just example one question I have. Right, shall we go that place? Right. So we are going now extra sums or creative sums. Children, give a topic creative sums, you continue in the classwork note itself, not an issue. So what is the domain? You write the question. What is the domain? Domain of the function cos inverse of 2x minus 3. Still we have 4 questions based on domain and range. This one answer we'll see. Children listen. So domain they asking, given function is what? Cos inverse. Okay, what is function? First you write cos means let f of x, I'm giving a name, f of x is equal to cos inverse of 2x minus 3, right? So they asking domain. Children, have you remember here domain? Yeah, very good. Domain of cos inverse x what pa? Yeah, closed interval minus 1 comma 1. That is in the what is that interval minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. See, closed interval na equal will be coming. Listen carefully. Abhinita, are you listening? So listen, here x is there na, middle will be x will be coming. Okay, that is very important. X is there na, that x we have to give. This is the question. Okay, same manner here in middle what we have, the cos inverse of what is given, 2x minus 1. So then domain, sorry, directly I'll write minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 1. This is the step you want to realize. Listen carefully. See, yeah, instead of x I'm replacing, means after cos inverse what we have here, that is we have to give here. Okay, that is I gave. Understand? Now you have to simplify this. You should find a x. X is the domain. What is here domain? X belongs to what? You should find. That's it. Okay. Now x you need in a first as per board mass, addition subtraction you remove. Then we will go to multiplication. Minus 3 is there. How you will remove minus 3? When you add 3 on all the place. So add 3 on all the place. So minus 1 plus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 3. What I am doing? I am adding 3 in all the place. Why? To cancel the minus 3. Now see children, after adding plus 3 minus 3 cancel. What I have remaining then? Here if you simplify, what I am getting? 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 4 after I think. I need only x I said. X you need it now. What we have to remove here? 2. How you will remove? Divided 2. Very good. Divided 2 if you do, you will be getting. Okay, divided 2 then. 2 divided by 2 less than or equal 2x divided by 2 less than or equal 4 divided by 2. After simplify, you will be getting 1 time, 2 time. So then what is my x value? 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to. Then what is my domain here? 1 comma 2 in the closed interval. Therefore, a domain equal to what is that? 1 comma 2 in a closed interval. This is for what? 2x minus 3 question. Domain if they ask, this is your final answer. Either MCQ or 2 mark they will be asking such type of questions. Maximum 2 mark they asking. Rare case MCQ they are giving. Okay, very important children. Domain sums is very important in the second chapter. Okay, right. So how we are moving and all, you just see. Still I have 4 more questions based on this. Okay, right fast. We'll go to next. Apart from textbook, they'll ask na, surely they'll come domain and range only. Okay, right. If you thorough these things, enough. Don't want to go any other thing. Can I go next step? Right. Question number, in the creative portion, question number 2, I'm going, find the domain of the function. Find the domain of the function. Okay, well, find the domain of the function. Function is what? F of x is equal to 1 by 2 secant inverse of what pa? 5x minus 3. That is the question pa. That is the question. Okay, what is this now? Domain we have to find, I said. The first secant domain you must know. Secant inverse domain, children. Do you have idea? Secant inverse of 5x minus 3 here. What is the domain of? Sorry. Wait. Yes, domain of what is that? Secant inverse x is what, Paraja? R minus Tell me. Open interval minus 1 comma 1. That is, what is the meaning of this? In the real number, minus 1, 2 plus 1 should not come. Okay. How we can write this? We can express this in two manner. So, minus 1 should not come. So, x value minus 1 below till minus infinity. Okay. Till minus infinity you can give. Okay. Or else, how we can write that? X value less than minus 1 and x value greater than plus 1. Okay, x value greater than plus 1 or x value less than minus 1. Like that you can write. This also okay. See, x value less than minus 1 na, minus 1 and below. That is the meaning of this. Am I right? So listen carefully. What is the meaning of this? Minus 1 and below. Okay, and 1 also should not come, but other things will come now. All positive number will come. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? All positive number na 1 above means 1 above na 1.1 onwards will be starting. Understand? Right. So in the two way we can take this. Understand? Right. How we are going to do this? Let's see. This is for a secant inverse x. Then how you will be represent for this one that you see, children. What is that question? See, don't consider the 1 by 2 and all. Only that, yeah, x, that variable we have to see. So that instead of x, we have to give what? Instead of x, what we have to give? Yes, 5x minus 3. And for this, what you will be getting then? 5x minus 3 less than minus 1 and what pa 5x minus 3 greater than 1. Okay, now find the x value in it. That's it. Very easily you can do 5x minus 3 when you send opposite what pa plus 3, then 5x less than 2, x is equal to what pa 2 by 5. Okay, so x value 2 by 5 below, 2 by 5 below. How you can write this? X value 2 by 5 below means 2 by 5 wait, one we can one include or what? One open interval they give. One is include Maharaja. Ma, when we subtract, one we are not subtracting. Listen, open interval na, when we subtract, one we are not subtracting. Yeah, then equal will come. Okay, then equal will come. Very important, equal will come. Then closed interval 2 by 5 comma till what? Minus infinity. This is the answer for first person. And second fellow, here you simplify 5x minus 3 when you send opposite plus and 5x is equal to 4. Then x is equal to what? Yeah, 4 by 5 above. So I will write this 4 by 5 above now. 4 by 5 means small number first. Above means still plus infinity. Yeah, equal here also should come. Then only I give close interval. Okay. Ma, so this is the answer. So how you can write this? You can combine both the answer. When you write a domain, therefore a domain of given question equal to open interval minus infinity 2 by 5 union 4 by 5 comma infinity. Like this you can give. Even here also, how we can write open interval minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. This is the meaning. For sine inverse of x, this is the meaning. And given question, this is the meaning. Sir, so sine inverse, cosecant inverse and all, we have to split and we have to do. Be careful. But maximum sine cos only they will be concentrating. Even one, suppose if they asked us, that is what I brought one question in the other than sine cos. Only one question I brought other than sine cos. Okay, sine cos only maximum they will be focusing. Right. Is it okay or what? Finding x values? Are we done, pa? Is anyone writing, ma? by side. Done na? Karan, what about you? So next third one. Third one, cos means simple na. So find the domain. Find the domain of cos inverse of 2x minus 1. Okay, cos inverse of 2x minus 1. What is cos inverse domain, you know, children? Here, this is question answer we are starting. So domain of cos inverse x is close interval minus 1 comma 1, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So that I told you x comes in a middle, we are giving x. So here what we have, that we have to bring in the middle. Yes, minus 1 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. This is the meaning of the domain. Okay, understand? Minus 1 comma plus 1 Raja. Thanks pa. Okay, next see, we have to find x value. How you will be finding? Minus 1 we have to remove, add plus 1 on both sides. Add plus 1. So plus 1 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 1. So what I did, I'm adding 1 on both the sides. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So what I'm getting the remaining here, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So I need a only x na, divide 2 in all the place. So divide 2 less than or equal to 2x divided 2 less than or equal to 2 divided by 2. So after that what I am getting, 2 cancel 1, 2 cancel 1. So what is my then final? 0 by anything 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So domain, how we can write for this then? Domain equal to in the closed interval 0 comma 1 you can give. 0 comma 1. Simple questions and all they will be asking in the MCQ pa. So cos we have seen twice, secant inverse 1, then sine is pending. Sine I will give one question. Okay, all maximum sine cos they will be focusing. Okay, can I give you itself? The same page. Right. Question number 4. Find the domain of a sine inverse of what is given, 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4 is given. For this we have to find a domain. Okay. So what you will be giving, see children here, have you remember sine inverse domain pa? Sine inverse x domain what ra? Sine inverse x domain what? Same minus 1 comma 1 only, no? So how you will write this then? How you will write minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Here also you want to realize that if x comes in a middle we are giving x. Same manner here minus 1 less than or equal 5x minus 4 less than or equal to 1. Here what is, what is we have, that we have to give in a middle. Yes, now to cancel, to find x, add plus 4 on both sides, then only this minus 4 we can remove. So when I add minus 1 plus 4 less than or equal to 5x minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 1 plus 4. Now you can cancel everything, plus 4 minus 4 we can cancel. Remain I am getting 3 less than or equal to 5x less than or equal to 5. Okay, so I have to cancel what here? 5. 5 if we cancel, divided by 5 you do on both sides. So 3 divided by 5 less than or equal 5x divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 divided by 5. So after multiply, which is cancel, that you do it one time, again one time. Then what is my domain finally? Yes. Then domain equal to close interval 3 divided by 5 comma 1. So this is the next. One more question I will give. In a range. So this is, till now we have seen only domain portion. So domain very important, I said. Range I have only one question. That means I didn't collect more. Only one question I just collected, because Maximum they will be focusing in the domain. That is what I gave domain question. Almost 4 question I gave domain. Okay. So range alone I will give 1 question. Enough. Second chapter will complete. Understand? Have we done this? Sweta, have you completed? You started to talk then. Write fast. So question number 5. We are starting. Yes. Shall we go? So question number 5. I told you about a range way. Okay. Find range of a, what is that? Find the range of f of x v equal to 3 times cos inverse of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 minus 2. Okay, have you remember children what is the range of cos inverse? Here, range here. Hey, have you remember range? Range of cos inverse of x equal to what? Yeah, close interval 0 comma pi. Listen carefully. So here range means the whole question we have to take. Range means what, pa? Whole question means the cos. That is what is the meaning of this? 0 less than or equal to cos inverse x less than or equal pi. This is the meaning. In not see what is that x alone if you are taking, that is a domain. The whole question if you are taking here, that is what pa range. Whole question na only the function cos inverse and what is the variable, only that. So then in this what is that you have to take? Only this one. Only this one is the function. Other things and all, extra multiplying, addition and all, you should not take. Understand? So inside inside that one you have to give only the function value. Very important in a range. So that answer is what? 0 less than or equal to, what is question? Cos inverse of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 less than or equal to pi. That's it. So what is your work here? What is your work? The whole question you want to bring in the middle. Listen, domain na we have cancelled. We brought x. Range means you have to bring the whole question in the middle. Whole question. So here first you multiply 3. After adding, after separating 2, if you multiply, it will change the meaning. First you multiply 3 on both sides. So multiply 3 on both sides. So 0 into 3, 3 into cos inverse of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 3 pi. Okay, range is different. What is that? Domain is different. So here we are giving extra points. Yeah, question you want to bring in the middle. Right, 0 into 3, 0. Here 3 into pi, yeah, 3 into pi, 3 pi will write it later. So 3 into cos inverse of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 3 pi. Next what we need in a question? Minus 2 we need. So subtract 2. Subtract 2 on all the sides. 0 minus 2 less than or equal 3 cos inverse of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to 3 pi minus 2. That is your work you want to do here. So 0 minus 2 less than or equal, what we have here? Whole f of x. Whole f of x less than or equal to 3 pi minus 2. That is your work. Suppose if you are taking the question f of x equal to 0 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to pi. Till f of x you want to do the work. So we got f of x now. Then that is our range. So that range equal to close interval minus 2 comma 3 pi minus 2. Is that our required range for the question? See, finding range is different. Yes, domain is different. Okay, that's it, Raja. Second chapter is over. I hope you understand the second chapter. Everything whatever I gave. So extra 5 sums I gave apart from textbook, miscellaneous, graph, everything we have seen. Okay, if you have a doubt now, you can go through once again the video. You will be getting idea. Understand? Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. Bye.